Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in kitchen gadgets and accessories.
Today, we're diving into the world of oven gloves.
And I'm excited to introduce you to what I believe is the best option out there. Meet the QUWIN BBQ Gloves, boasting an impressive 1,472 degrees Fahrenheit extreme heat resistance. These gloves are not your average kitchen accessory. Whether you're grilling, baking, or cooking up a storm in the kitchen, these gloves have got you covered.
What sets these gloves apart from the rest? Let's dive into the features. First up, enhanced heat resistance.
Made with ultra-high-strength aramid fiber, these gloves can withstand temperatures up to 1,472 degrees Fahrenheit, providing you with unparalleled protection against heat. The QUWIN BBQ Gloves also feature a premium triple material design.
With silicone strips for a non-slip grip, ultra-high-strength aramid fiber for heat resistance, and polyester cotton for comfort. These gloves offer the perfect balance of functionality and comfort. And let's talk about versatility. Whether you're grilling, baking, or handling hot objects in the kitchen, these gloves are up to the task.
They're the perfect accessory for all your cooking adventures. But don't just take my word for it.
Let's hear what customers have to say. Customers rave about the comfort, easy cleaning, and, most importantly, the unbeatable heat resistance of these gloves. They're a game changer for any home cook or grill master. So there you have it, folks.
The QUWIN BBQ Gloves are truly the best gloves for oven use available in the market today. With their exceptional heat resistance, premium materials,
and unbeatable versatility, they're a must-have addition to any kitchen arsenal. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique.
Until next time, happy cooking!